Welcome to the Compelxity Toolkit. This toolkit is designed to equip military staff officers with the skills needed to navigate complex operational environments. It emphasizes the importance of agility, resilience, and effective decision-making. Data literacy emphasizes the ability to integrate data from multiple sources and utilize advanced analytics. Data literacy supports and enables the creation of comprehensive data strategies to make well-informed decisions at all levels of military operations. Critical thinking is essential for effective problem-solving. It involves mitigating cognitive biases, using different types of reasoning, and applying metacognition. Critical skills include interpreting diverse data sources, evaluating information credibility, and navigating diverse cultural contexts. Systems thinking helps in understanding complex adaptive systems and building resilient systems. Key concepts include recognizing interconnectedness and adaptive problem-solving. Critical skills involve applying systems thinking methods, strategic thinking, and collaborative problem-solving. Creative thinking enhances innovation through narrative intelligence and cognitive narratology. Key concepts include story thinking and narrative-driven innovation. Critical skills involve narrative analysis, creative story mapping, and collaborative story building. Artificial intelligence in 4 domains covers curriculum development, faculty support, student assistance, and post-graduation support. It includes automated content creation, personalized learning, and predictive analytics for student performance. In student support, AI offers personalized study aids, virtual research assistants, and adaptive testing environments. For post-graduation, AI provides career path modeling, alumni network support, and feedback analysis. Thank you for exploring the Compelxity Toolkit. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.